Huh?
Lights on them.
It's just traction control and ABS. So there's no oil light. Sounds good.
Yeah.
What's interesting is that doesn't show any pressure. But we never used this before, so we don't know if...
What about in here?
But you don't have an oil sensor or anything? Yeah, so you don't have low oil. So your oil, no low oil light, so that's good. See if you can see something on there. I'm gonna open the shop door. That way I don't smoke herself out in here. Yeah, so oil pressure's good, so we confirm oil pressure's good. It's just unfortunately, this gauge, this device doesn't show oil pressure on here. So we, so that's kind of interesting. Yeah. Actually sounds good. Nice. I like it.
Hey.
Do you hear a different rumble to it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and is it a longer?
It's definitely a more raspy and a sharper rap.
Interesting.
You know what I mean? It's louder.
Yeah.
It's louder, a little bit longer, sharper.
Yeah, the longer I can definitely see because you have the cam lobe was much longer instead of short, more of a peak.
Yep.
On that Screaming Eagle cam.
No oil leaks.
No, it looks really good. Cool, we did our job right.
Yep.
I love that. We don't have to go back and fix anything.
Yep.
I don't see any leaks anywhere. Everything looks really good along there.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Off to the